Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah has raised a very important issue. In the short term, Mr. Speaker, we have a problem. Let me just say this: we have a problem. We are inheriting. This administration is inheriting nearly 140 billion shillings in the infrastructure sector, particularly the roads. Mr. Speaker, the reason why the roads have stalled is because we are unable to pay the contractors. And Mr. Speaker, the money to pay the contractors is not there, because we have committed that money to other sectors, Mr. Speaker, or maybe we chewed more than we could, we bit more than we could chew, Mr. Speaker. And so the problem here is that we are proposing, and the government of Kenya is proposing in its manifesto, that, Mr. Speaker, we will do securitization. But more importantly, and I think quickly, Mr. Speaker, we will use the road maintenance levy to, Mr. Speaker, guarantee a one-off, Mr. Speaker, a bond, infrastructure bond, that should be raised, pay off all the pending bills, and make sure that, in line with the plans we give the people of Kenya, we make sure that we complete the roads so that we achieve the equity we are talking about. We also want to safeguard, Mr. Speaker, this Parliament passed in the last